This is a technique that I still use to this day when I see an outfit that I love. Hey everybody, Parker York Smith here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, we focus on building your confidence through fashion and lifestyle choices that are not gonna break the bank. So if you like the sound of that, join the gang right there. Today I am very excited to be talking to you guys about discovering your own personal style. Maybe you've been paying a little bit more attention to your clothes, but you're not exactly sure which direction to go in, or maybe you're just starting out, you're totally new and you want to know where to start. Regardless, it's going to be a good video for anybody to watch because I want to share with you guys the 3-step process that I developed to figure out what I like and used it to start creating a general style vibe. The way that I would describe my personal style is very casual, with pops of trendy. I like to keep things pretty classic for the most part, but I definitely enjoy throwing together different genres or adding in things that are a little bit more fashion forward so that I can separate myself from everybody else. As much as I wish that I would have always known exactly what makes me feel most confident and exactly which style direction I wanted to go in, it is going to take time. It did for me. It took years of trial and error and figuring out what works, and it's always developing. So the stuff that I wear now that creates my personal style now is probably going to be different from 5 years from now. So these are the 3 steps that I used to learn my personal style. First and foremost, you have to expose yourself to what's out there and even learn what's possible. This is exactly what you're doing right now. You're watching this video and you're educating yourself. You're exposing yourself to what's out there. Good job. Taking time to see how other people are dressing themselves and learning what options there are available to you, that's essential. And what this is going to let you do is to start heading in certain directions of what you think is cool or what you think might make you feel a little bit more confident. Or on Instagram, I have an outfit ideas folder. For me, it started with GQ magazine, just flipping through the pages, seeing outfit ideas that I thought were really cool. And although I couldn't and I still can't afford the designer stuff that was in the magazine, it started to teach me how certain jackets could be worn, or certain types of pants, just different combinations that I could be trying in my everyday life. And then put a note in your phone so you can access it when you're shopping or whatever. This is a technique that I still use to this day when I see an outfit that I love and I want to recreate it. I've showed this to you guys in my celebrity outfit recreation videos, but essentially all it is finding an outfit you love and breaking it down piece by piece into different categories. For example, I saw this look right here. I thought it was classic and it looked really nice. The categories that I would break this into are a basic t-shirt, a light jacket, some chino pants, and sneakers. Don't even worry about colors or the exact specific styles or brands or any of that. Only worry about the general category and how it all works together. This is going to teach you to combine different things together in a stylish way because you've seen it work for other people. So then when you're shopping for yourself or when you're putting together an outfit, you know exactly what to do. You stick within those categories and you start to get creative with different color combinations and different types of pieces within each of those categories. And hopefully when you put it on, because you enjoyed the way that it looked, you also start to feel really confident the way that you look in that same outfit. Then you have go-tos. You have an easy thing in the back of your mind that's like, oh, well, I know for sure I can throw together that outfit because that just works for me. Or on the flip side, you'll try it and you'll realize it just does not work for you at all. Both sides are valuable knowledge to have. So what I did was start doing this in multiple different style categories, practicing a lot, and it really taught me what I liked and what I didn't like. Like I would try a similar outfit to the one I already showed you and figured out that that style really worked for me. So then I was like, okay, let's try something on the complete opposite side of the spectrum. Let's go a little bit dressier and see how things go. For this look, our categories, we've got a suit, a dress shirt, and dress shoes. That's all you need. So when I put this on, I realized that the pants worked really well. I felt great in them, but the shirt and the jacket and the shoes, they felt a little stuffy. So I figured, okay, I know that the casual side of things really works for me, so why don't I mix the two together and I'll do the dressier pants with the otherwise very casual pieces, the basic tee, the light jacket, and the sneakers from the other look, and boom, all of a sudden I'm creating my own style. And then after a while, I started to realize the things that I personally really connected with, and it helped me so much in terms of shopping. I wasn't gonna waste my money on some streetwear piece because I knew that that wasn't going to represent me. It wasn't going to make me feel confident. This same process of categorizing and then copying will work with streetwear, dapper, casual, surfer, literally any style genre. I realized that what made me feel good was bending genres, combining things together and being able to get super creative and create looks that not everybody else was going to be wearing because I recognized what works for me. Finally, step 3 in the process, in the same way that you're not going to go to the gym once and get ripped, you're not going to put on one outfit and all of a sudden have personal style. In order to really develop it and create as much of a personal connection to it as possible, you've got to try and try again. One thing that I swear by, and I did a lot when I was younger, I would go to the mall by myself and just go to different stores and try on different things. Most times I didn't even have any money. I was broke, so I wasn't actually even buying anything, but at least I started to understand that, okay, next payday or for the next holiday or whatever it is, I know exactly what I want to get because I've already tried it on and I recognize how good it makes me feel. Or find websites that offer free shipping and returns. There's tons of them. Order stuff to your house with the sole intention of just trying it on. This is a perfect way for you to learn your sizes as well. Order 2 or 3 different sizes of the same exact thing with the full intention of knowing you're only going to keep one of them and you're going to send the other 2 back. And that's it, guys. An easy 3-step process to finding your own personal style. It's going to take time, but I promise you, if you give it time and effort, it is absolutely going to yield results. Educate yourself on what's out there so you know which direction to head in. Break down outfits you love into categories and copy those so you can start to learn what works for you. And then just practice. Try different things within each of those categories of the genre that you like. Maybe dip your toe into another style genre and then combine different things from all of those different genres that allow you to really add your own personal touch and create your own personal style. After you've kind of nailed down the basics of what works for you, then you can start to delve more into fashion forward versions of the pieces that you enjoy, or like jewelry and accessories. That's a super fun way to start really increasing your style and getting even more personal. I really hope this was helpful for you guys. I had a lot of fun making it. If you have any specific questions or comments, you can obviously drop them down below, or you can DM me on Instagram. Go follow me there, as well as on TikTok for lots of other outfit ideas and style tips every single day. If you enjoyed today's video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you are not already, tell a friend about the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.